This looks like a lettuce or a cabbage, and something really cool is that you can tuck things right inside of here if you wanted to. If you have a small to a medium-sized dog, this is one of the coolest totes of dog toys that I have ever seen. I'm going to zoom in closer. I'll show you everything that's included. Then we'll go downstairs and then we'll give them to my Pomeranian. Inside of this grocery bag, you are going to get 15 different toys. Another option is that if you want to play a game with your dog, you can sneak some little treats inside of here and then have them try to hunt them down. It's really nice that we do have a little storage case like this, because if you wanted to be able to take these with you when you travel, then you could. But of course, it also just kind of cleans things up. Here's the first one we have, which is this little kiwi. We have this little crinkle paper here on the back, but then these also have the squeak component. Now, for me personally, I'm not comfortable with my dog chewing on tags like this. You definitely don't have to cut this off, but this is just a preference for me. So as I go through this, I will be cutting everything. This is made out of material that is okay for our dogs to have in their mouth. And this is also that non-shed kind. You'll notice that this is almost like a terry cloth, so this is also going to be really good on their teeth and gums. You also get a watermelon, a carrot and bok choy, a cucumber and a banana. I believe this is a root vegetable, and then we also get an eggplant. This looks like a lettuce or a cabbage, and something really cool is that you can tuck things right inside of here if you wanted to. We have a pineapple and a dragon fruit. My dog is obsessed with green vegetables, so I bet you he's gonna love this broccoli. We also get a little mini pumpkin. We get a tomato, but then how cool is this avocado? This actually has Velcro here. This is not the sharp kind. Everything is very flat on this. So if you wanted to, you could probably hide a really small treat inside of here as well, and then push everything together until they can get it undone. This is the type of thing that's going to keep your dog stimulated for a really long time, because we have all of the different textures, all of the different sizes, the different colors. The dog is really going to be able to be stimulated and then explore different things. My dog can't really decide which one of these that he likes the most, but something that I really appreciate is having that gentle material. He actually just had surgery to have his eye taken out, so I like having something like this that's more of a comfort item for him. We like these a lot. I'm really glad that the company sent me this to try, and hopefully this helps.